Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy replacement for Apple A16 4nm SoC. Let's get started. At first, we disassembled the layered motherboard. Now we will remove the processor first. This is a risky process, we should be careful during this. After that, we are removing 39V7 chip and NAND chip. This is a risky process, we should be careful during this. Cleaning and polishing the chips. Now removing Octa1 secure element. Installing A16 chip. Installing 39V7 chip. Now installing NAND. Installing the secure element. Replacement is done. And that's it. You've successfully replaced A16 chipset. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.